Lists are dynamic collections that can grow or shrink as needed. Creating a list is simple with the list keyword and then specify the type in angle brackets. Adding items is straightforward with the add method. Removing items with remove, and checking if something exists with the contains method. Use count to get the current size, clear empties the entire list, insert lets you add items at specific positions instead of just at the end, and you can still access items like arrays using bracket notation where you define the element index. This is going to get the first element. The trade-off is that lists use slightly more memory than arrays and have a tiny performance overhead, but this is almost never a problem in real apps. The flexibility and the convenience far outweighs the minimal cost. Use lists by default for most scenarios and only reach for arrays when you have performance-critical code or need to work with APIs that specifically require arrays.